this is Amanda from the Field Library, and I'm back again to show you some more origami. Today I'm going to show you how to make a star box. They're really quick and simple to make, and the steps might seem familiar because they are very similar to the crane. And this is also very functional. You can use this to put your snacks in, you can use it to hold your rings, paper clips, or you could just use it to decorate. And as always, we are going to start off with a square-shaped piece of paper. And what you're going to do is you're going to want to turn it in, like this so it looks like a diamond. And now we're going to fold it in half. Now that you have your triangle, right down the middle, you're going to want to fold this in half as well. Now, once you have your smaller triangle, there's going to be the closed side and a side that's open. You're going to want to take one of these flaps here, and you're going to want to pop that into a square. See? Again, following the lines here that you folded will give you a good guideline. So if you keep this here, then you open this outwards and you fold it down like that. And now you have your square. Now once you have your square, you will again notice that there's a closed end and an open end. With the open end, you're going to want to take this flap over here and fold it right into the middle, right against that middle line. Do it on the other side. Now flip it and repeat the process. So we're folding them towards the center. When you're done with that, you're going to have a shape like this. It kind of looks like an upside down kite. And we're going to take these flaps. And here's where the steps deviate from the crane steps. So instead of folding these inward, what we're going to do is that we're actually going to flatten them. We're going to open and flatten them like this. See? I'm going to do the same thing to this one. Make sure that the little crease line lines up here. And we're going to do that to the other side as well. Now once you have that done, these parts that are hanging out now, you're going to want to take that and you're going to want to fold it back. See? Like this. So you're taking this and you're folding it back until it looks like that. And you're going to do that to the other side as well. So we're just going to fold these in. And now once you've done that, it should look like this. And you're going to take this top point and you're just going to bring it down and fold it over. And you're going to do that all around. Now once those are folded all around, you can start to open up your box. And you made a star box. So what I used to do in school is that I would make these and I would put my sunflower seed shells inside when I was done with them. So they're cute and they're useful, and I hope that you try it out, and I hope you have fun doing so.